Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a decorate with me of my mantle and a really fun Pottery Barn dupe DIY. The first thing that I'm going to put on the mantle is this black base that I got at Hobby Lobby. It's normally on here with different florals for the different seasons, and I like it on here because it's not too tall and I can put something that is tall in it. So I'm going to start with that. Love the black for the fall season as well, so I think it looks perfect. To this, I'm going to add I have two different leaf stems. They're very large. They're from Hobby Lobby. I still have the tag on them. They're $11.99, but they're always half off. And then I have had these for several years. If you can get a good look, I love these. I love them so much, and I wanted to use them again because I loved the colors paired together. I think it looks really nice, and I'm going for more just like not super formal, not super like perfect. I want like whimsy, and looks like I just picked it up from outside. So I'm just going to stick these in this vase. I'm going to add 3 different sized candlesticks. I've done this several times. I just love the simplicity of it. And then I have some really beautiful camel colored candlesticks that I got from Hobby Lobby. The actual candlesticks themselves are from Target. I'll link them below if they still are available. I love this little stool that Erin made me, and I want to layer it on the mantle here. I just think it looks so cute. So many different things you can do with stools like that as well. On the stool here, I want to add this blanket that I got from Target. I don't know if I got it last year or the year before, but I love that it's like orange on one side and cream on the other side. I'm gonna use the cream side because we're gonna do a DIY next, and I think that it'll look better with the cream than the orange. Hey, I want to share this little DIY with you guys really fast. It's 9:20 at night on a Friday night. My kids are at football games, and I'm home. They're not playing, they're just watching. So I'm at home crafting and decorating, and I'm excited to share with you guys. I really wanted to buy the Pottery Barn terracotta pumpkins this year. I saw them last year and I did not buy them because they're very expensive, but I held out for this year thinking they'd bring them back, and they didn't. They brought black ones. Black doesn't really go with my aesthetic. However, I still cannot stop thinking about them, and so I want to try and recreate my own, and I want to kind of take you along with me. I recently picked both of these up at Michael's, and this one's really close, but it's not quite the right color, so I'm hoping that I can create a color that I can do on both and that they match. And what I love about it is I can have this side for fall and then turn them around and have cute Halloween decorations. So I'm going to use Liz Marie's DIY, like how she did it. She used this terracotta Craft Smart paint, so that's what we're gonna do. I actually got a few different colors to see how we mix them up, but let's see what happens. I feel like the older I get, the less crafty I get, so I have low hopes. Oh, but I guess if I mess it up too bad, I can just repaint it again and again and again. It'll eventually work out, but let's get painting. I lightened the paint up just a little bit. And now what the next thing you're supposed to do is, this is what she did. She took flour and rubbed it on there. So that is what I'm going to do. And hopefully we get the look that we're going for. DIY pumpkins to the stool. And what I love about them is I can use them for Halloween too. I said that earlier, but I can't wait for that. I love decor that we can use for both seasons. Cute. Okay, I think for the final touch, I'm gonna add one more pumpkin, so I kind of have like a trio going on of pumpkins just right here. All look good. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. More home decor for fall is coming your way, and I hope you'll enjoy it. Anyway, I'll catch you guys in my next video.